So in this video, I'm going to quickly break down some price points. The reason I'm doing this is because this is a common thing that people want answers to. They want the price. Everyone wants the price. Everyone wants to know how much is it going to cost. They don't want any, BS in between that. So I'm going to break down, just some basic price points that we have. And again, these price points do not apply to everyone. I'm going to give you some examples on what type of clients realistically fit within these price points. The price is going to depend on a lot of factors. That is not, some bullshit that you're hearing from me or other companies out there. It really does depend on a lot of factors. It depends on your market, who's in your market, how much work have they done, what are you trying to go after. That all is price dependent, but there are certain price ranges that are relatively the same. So I'm going to read some off to you here. And again, these prices, this isn't like an industry standard. These are prices that I have found with the clients that I work with the niches that I've worked with that seem to do well. Like with these prices, I can get you results. That's how I price. I price to get you results. I don't price for you to say yes. I don't price because I need the money and I want you to just give it to me. I price based off of what is going to be needed for me to get you the results you're looking for. So I'm going to start off with web builds. I'm going to go into kind of a monthly optimization or SEO, and then I will cover some hosting plans as well and just kind of break those down for you. I try to keep this short and sweet just to kind of give you a gist of the pricing and what you might expect to be paying. Now, just for context, the industries that I mainly work with are going to be in the pressure washing. This includes soft washing as well. Asphalt. This also includes asphalt maintenance in the form of seal coating, line striping, crack sealing, and construction, remodeling services, and refinishing services, some painting services as well. So these prices are more or less kind of grouped together based off of those industries. Now there are other industries I've worked with, like hair salons and healthcare businesses and some people in real estate, but generally these prices are for the construction, asphalt, pressure washing, some painting businesses, and some home services businesses as well. Now let's go ahead and start with a website build. Now, I typically have 3 price points that I use for website builds. It can be more than what I'm saying. So the first one that I typically, my basic plan typically will start at around $700. Depending on other factors as far as the market, what other requirements the clients have, what other things the clients want on the website. Typically that's my first initial website typically. So around 700, 731 is typically a good price if they just want something basic. Now what this website covers, it gives you a website with pages for all your main services. Typically there's between 4 to 5 pages. I give you a short about us page, you get a contact page, and it's just a basic website with a decent design and a picture gallery and just the basics. That's what I would charge. That's not including anything else that you want on the website. You want some crazy feature on the website, if you want something else on there, that's additional cost. And the way website pricing works is there's the website pricing, the price to build the site, and then there's what's called a hosting fee, which is the price to keep the website files online on my server. If you want to host it yourself, I can guide you on that as well, but I'll break down the hosting cost in a second. So that's my basic plan, starts around $700. The next plan is more custom. It's about $1,200 roughly, in that range. Again, depends on the industry, depends on the market, and really depends on the market more than the industry. So it's about $1,200. You get additional pages in the form of different location pages. I go a little bit deeper. I give you a blog with supporting content. You get all the stuff from the previous site as well, and I allow a little bit more customization and picture uploads and stuff like that takes a little bit more time. The next package that I have from that is $2,930, and again, that price can be more depending on the specifics and of course the market. And these websites, just so I forgot to mention this, these websites do include optimization in the form of SEO to the site, on-site optimization. The first one, the $700 one, includes on-site optimization, does not really include off-site. Sometimes, depending on the client, depending on the situation, I might offer a Google profile optimization in addition to that. But the other two, the $1,200 and the $2,900 website, do include Google profile optimization and social media page optimization, meaning if I have to build you a Facebook page, it's included in the price. Instagram page is included in the price. YouTube channel, it's included in the price. So basically, the more you pay, the more I can really do with the media you give me, the ideas you give me, and with your website in general. So that's what these prices, hopefully that summarizes them. Basically, the three price points are $700, roughly $1,200, and $2,900. And the difference between these is going to be how deep I build out the site, how many pages I put on the site, how many other additional things I get you besides just the website. Because with the last two, the $1,200 and the $2,900 package, you also get some off-site optimization, which means I optimize other things besides the website. I get you some backlinks with it. I get you some social media pages with it if you don't have any. I optimize your Google business profile as well. And you get a little bit more time for the build. So just to break that down as well, so when I do a website build, typically I will give clients around 6 weeks to make any additional changes. So the website build itself really takes me around it can take me anywhere 1 to 2 weeks. It just also depends on you as well and how fast you communicate with me. If there's certain things that you're meaning to give me and it takes you forever, then it's gonna affect on the build as well. So typically between 1 to 2 weeks, you get about 6 weeks total to make any additional changes at no extra cost. And that way the website comes out the way you want it, and also it's effective. So those are the price points for websites. Again, around $700, $1,200, and $2,900, and then it can go up from there. Depending, it can be $5,000. It just depends on what your goals are, what your budget is, how aggressive you are, and all those things. Now, real quick, I broke down the website pricing. What I'm going to break down now is the hosting cost. Now, some of you guys might already have a domain name on GoDaddy, on Namecheap, on Wix or whatever. You might already have a domain name. My hosting prices are the same whether you have a domain or you don't have a domain. So if you don't have a domain and I get it for you, then the price stays the same. So I have 3 different hosting packages, and there's 2 ways to pay. You can pay monthly or you can pay yearly. When you pay yearly, you get a discount, a discounted rate, since it's just one payment. So this can be a little bit complicated. I'm gonna break this down just so you understand. And again, if you don't understand in this video and you want more clarification, please call me and I'll be happy to walk you through it and explain why I charge what I charge. Now the hosting cost. So the basic hosting is $25 a month. If you pay yearly, it is $232.93. So you save some money. You save about 22% if you pay all up front for the year. Now, what this hosting includes is you get 1, maybe 2 changes a month as long as it's quick. This can be, you want me to swap out a picture, you want me to change, a phone number, just something quick and easy at no extra cost. I'll do that for you. I'm there for any type of support issues you might have. If something goes wrong, I'm there to fix it. That's the basic hosting. That's what typically most people will get. Now, some of you guys in the pressure washing industry, you guys might be paying roughly between $100 to $200 for hosting. You might get unlimited changes. You may not even use that more than once or twice a year. So let me go into the next plan. The next plan from that is a plus hosting. So this is $35 a month, or if you pay yearly, it's $327.60. You still save 22% if you pay the year. Now, what this includes is the same thing as the previous. You get the support, you get the the changes on a monthly basis, and in addition to that, I build you out a blog article every single month based off of one of your services, one of your products that you're looking to promote the most. So that is included. So basically with the plus hosting, you get optimization, you get SEO basically every month, in the form of a blog article that's targeted towards one of your main services. And you can always communicate with me if you want to shift your focus. I'll be happy to do that. Now the next hosting, this is the last one that I have, is the premium. So this is $65 a month. If you wanted to pay the year, you're looking at $608.40. Now you still save 22% if you pay yearly. Now with this hosting, the premium hosting, what I do here is I not only give you the support, I not only give you those changes a month, and besides, with the $65, you get I can do more changes at no extra cost. I can change out more stuff. I can change out more text. I can do a little bit deeper stuff with the premium hosting. You also get the blog article. In addition to this, you get the offsite optimization, meaning you get a blog article and you get a backlink, which is basically your website listed on another website every single month. So you get SEO optimization every single month. Just to put this in perspective for you, the yearly hosting, if you were to pay this plan up front for the year, it's $608.40. Some people pay that much every single month just for SEO services that may or may not work. So you're getting a pretty good deal. You're getting SEO optimization, you're getting more content added to the site, and you're getting a backlink every single month. And if you were to pay the year, you would only pay $608.40. So that's a pretty good deal for a lot of people that I work with that want to do something and don't want to pay that much every single month. So if you wanted to pay this monthly, it's $65 a month versus paying $600 a month and maybe getting results or not. So that's my hosting plan. That's my website pricing. Again, I'm gonna break this down one more time just so you guys understand. Website prices typically will start at around $700. So you're looking at $700, $1,200, $2,900. Those are the website build prices. The differences between them is I do more customization the more you pay, and I can do more stuff off the website that's going to help your marketing in general the more you pay. Now the hosting prices, this is the price for me to keep your website on my servers and be there for any type of support issues or additional optimization, are going to be $25 a month, $35 a month, $65 a month. Each one of these plans has a yearly option where you save 22%. So the yearly prices would be $232.93, $327.60, $608.40. So hopefully that was helpful. The differences between these hosting plans, website hosting plans, is the additional optimization and support that you get. So basically, the more you pay, the more you get. Hopefully that summed it up as far as website and hosting prices. I have a separate video about SEO optimization pricing as well. Feel free to check that out if you're curious about how I price for SEO and what the general price is.